all of you guys have a favorite kind of candy and love candy, but imagine being able to make your favorite candy whenever you want. Clear Pops are a fun, unique lollipop that will satisfy your sweet tooth. I'm going to talk about the history, how to make them, and the different kinds of Clear Pops. The history, they were originally not on a stick, and they could be used for medical purposes. They would be used as like what we use as cough drops, where they said they would like cure or prevent diseases. They were originally just red, yellow, and green, and in 1805 they were 10 cents each, so they're like $4.59 today. Since 1850, the way that they are made haven't changed much. You'll need 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1/4 tablespoon of cream of tartar, a candy thermometer, a pot. Food coloring is optional. If you don't use it, they'll probably turn out like yellow or red. Those are the molds and the canola oil. Before you start, you have to set the molds up, and these are what the molds look like. They're really heavy, and they each have like 4 different shapes inside of them, and you have to set them up upside down so you can pour the mixture in it. And then in a pot you get your sugar, water, and cream of tartar, and you stir it, and you turn the stove up to medium high, and once it reaches 260 degrees you can add food coloring, and then once it reaches 360 degrees you take it off the stove and wait till it stops boiling, and then you pour it in the molds, and once it's cooled down a little bit, you can put the stick in to make it a lollipop, and so that's what they'll look like before you pop them out. You can pop them out once they're warm, but they're firm. And then that's what they look like at the end. There are different kinds. There are different kinds of Clear Pops and like a lot of different recipes. This is the recipe for Clear Pops, and they also call them barley sugar, and like you can make them in little like drops, and you can make them like different flavors and stuff. And therefore, there's like different recipes for children. They're shaped like everyday objects. They can be shaped like dishes or like shoes or animals, but I make them around Christmas time, and so mine are shaped like presents and snowman and angels and stuff. And by looking at the history, how they're made, and the different kinds of Clear Pops, you now know that Clear Pops are a fun, unique lollipop that will satisfy your sweet tooth, and that's my favorite.
We have messages in the office for Michaela Hill.